Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to integrate Cleo with digital wallets. Now, do you want easier payment and tracking? Well, Cleo can link with digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and others. Here's how to get it done. First step is to open Cleo and head to settings. Find the wallet integration or payments options section. Next, you can connect digital wallets. So choose your digital wallet of choice. That's it could be Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, whatever it is. Go ahead and tap that. Next, you're going to authorize access. So you're going to be redirected to your digital wallet app to give Cleo permission. Next, you're going to confirm successful linking. Now, Cleo will notify you once the integration is successfully completed. Next and final step is to start using it. So you can now make quicker payments, track spending more easily, and even set Cleo's saving targets tied to wallet transactions. Linking Cleo to your digital wallet adds another layer of convenience to managing your money on the go. Pretty useful feature. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.